Hello, now we are on question 14, 15, 16, 17 of the chapter 4 review. So we are on to our last section, which is roots radicals. So we'll start with question 14. Find the square root of 100. So remember a couple things. Our radical symbol, if it doesn't have a little number right here, that means it's automatically square root. Okay, so we are definitely doing a square root. If there is a number there, like a 3 or a 4, that tells you what else we're doing. Remember, square roots are opposite of exponents. So when we think of a square root, we want to know the square root of 100 means what times what is equal to 100, right? And we need to have just the same number here. So we can use, remember, our multiplication chart, or our list of perfect squares or perfect cubes, or our calculator to work this all out. And the value that we get is 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. Yep, that is true. So our square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay, so all this up here is just work. Our answer would be 10. 10 is the value that we want. All right, question 15. What is the square root of negative 25? So here we look, right? Something times something else needs to equal negative 25. Right, so we're trying to find square root of negative 25. So we might think, okay, I know that 5 times 5 equals 25. So I might try that. 5 times 5 equals positive 25. Close, but we want negative, so that didn't work. What about just negative 5 times negative 5? Oh wait, negative times negative also gives us a positive 25. So again, that didn't work. So remember, in this case, we get no real solution. So there's no real solution when we do negative square root of a negative number. All right, question 16. What's the negative square root of 16? So 16 is, if we just think about its square root, we know 4 times 4 equals 16. So if we talk about negative square roots, this is different than the one before it because the negative's outside the radical. So our answer is just going to be negative 4. Okay, and then 17. What's the cube root of 729? So remember, cube means we need to know something times something times something, right? Multiplied 3 times. So again, right, we can use our calculator, all our different options for multiplying it out, but we would find that 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. So the cube root of 729 equals 9. All right, so here we go. I'll zoom out for you so you can take some notes if you would like on these questions. And there you go.